Hey, how's it going? This is Chris, and today I'm going to walk you through how to create a pull request. So this is helpful if you are trying to contribute to an open source project, if you're collaborating on a project at school or at work. You'll need to be familiar with this flow, and then once you do it once or twice, you'll get pretty familiar with it. So this all started when I saw a tweet from Francesco JavaScript asking about what recording and editing software people use to make their videos, and I let him know that I use OBS and Filmora, and post a link to a recent YouTube video. And he let me know about this GitHub repo that he started that has a list of different YouTubers. So he invited me to make a PR, which was generous, and I figured I'd let you guys know how to go through this process by showing you. So here's the repo. What you're going to do first is you are going to click on this fork button, and that's going to make a copy of this repo in your account. So I'll fork this to mine. Next step. So now you can see that it's my account and YouTubers forked from Francesco XX. So I'm going to clone this. So I'm going to grab the... if you don't have SSH keys set up, then you can just clone it with HTTPS. If you do, then you can use SSH. I've got them set up, so I'll just use SSH. So down here in the terminal in VS Code, I'm going to do git clone. And then I'm going to change directories into that and open it up in a new window. All right, so pretty simple project in terms of size. It's just one markdown file with this information. So a couple of steps that you would want to take if this was a bigger project. Number one, if we had, say, a package.json with a bunch of dependencies and things like that, you'd want to run npm install or yarn, and that's going to install all of those dependencies locally for you. If you don't do that and you try and run the project, you're going to get a bunch of errors. The next step, this is good practice. Right now you can see that I'm on the master branch. It's good practice to make changes to branches instead of to the master branch so that it doesn't impact that main copy. So what I'm going to do is git checkout-b, add name, and now I'm on a new branch. So whatever changes I make to this branch, they're not going to impact master until they're merged. So now I can make my changes. So I'll open this up, and it looks like it's just pipes between the name, the link, and the YouTube link and the Twitter link. So I'll just go to this last line. I'll put my name. I'll grab my YouTube URL and paste it and get rid of this view as subscriber. One more, and I'll do my Twitter link. And then pipe to end it, and then save. And that's looking good. So now I'm going to commit this and push it back up to my repo. So we'll do git status. Since I didn't add any new files, I can just commit. So git commit, and I'll do -am and add YouTube and Twitter links. I'll run git push and set the upstream branch here, but just by copying and pasting those directions. All right, so now if I go back here, compare and pull request. So the head repository is here on my account here, and I want to make sure it's pointing toward the base repository of the original account. So it is able to merge, and I'll just leave a comment, added links to YouTube and Twitter pages, and then I'll create my pull request. And then I'll do some checks. But now it'll be on to Francesco for the pull request. And so it's as simple as that. So a good way to get started in this process, a lot of people are looking for help on those READMEs. So you'll see, you know, like a README, something like this. Maybe it's not a table. Maybe it's like, here are the directions for getting started, and you notice a typo, or you notice that the directions aren't clear. That's a great way to get in the habit and get in the practice of contributing and making pull requests. And then from there, you can get a little bit more comfortable and start writing some code and contribute it to some bigger projects. So hope this was helpful. And if you liked it, go ahead and like the video, subscribe, and I'll be making some more videos soon. So I'll see you in the next one.